CPI is a social enterprise and we focus on creating social and economic impact.
We're a research technology organisation. We support innovation to help companies and the UK to prosper and grow.
The CPI is just one of 7 centres that make up this fabulous organisation that is the High Value Manufacturing Catapult. What we do is we connect businesses with some of the brilliant research that's flowing out of our universities and help them to use that research to improve what they make, the way they make it, and of course develop the talents of their people.
Working with CPI and HVMC, our proven model over the last couple of decades, it's a flywheel where we work with industry to identify the innovation gaps and challenges that they face. We then work with local government or national government to get investment and sponsorship to invest in capability that those companies can then access.
So the High Value Manufacturing Catapult centres now collaborate quite closely in certain thematics. Centres like Circle Square really help us to do that because they enable lots of different centres to hot desk together in a region that is growing really fast and got big ambitions for its businesses.
We can connect with a host of different businesses that have got a real innovative appetite and make the ecosystem really work to power those businesses.
Our location in at Liverpool Science Park is really important to us. Our sister centre in the High Value Manufacturing Catapult is in there. If you look across the city region, it's just such a focus for growth, so it's a really obvious location for us to go into.
It's really important to have that kind of safe landing space via Bruntwood SciTech where we can access existing networks, really kind of get in under the skin of the region and understand the community, understand the culture of the city, and that really helps us to accelerate our journey in the region.